working with virtual desktop configurations and dealing with DXZ archive files. These contain compressed configuration packages from the Dexpot virtual desktop tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to work with these Dexpot compressed archive files. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted DXZ files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. A compressed archive used by the MMORPG Ragnarok Online to store game assets like sprites, textures, and maps. Users typically encounter DXZ files when attempting to modify the game's client, create custom content, or explore the game's internal data structure for private servers or fan projects. The DXZ format is a proprietary container, likely using a common compression algorithm like zlib to reduce the overall game client size. It acts as a virtual file system, allowing the game engine to efficiently load multiple assets from a single file, which improves loading times and simplifies asset management for developers. The industry standard application for DXZ is considered to be Dexpot from Dexpot GBR. The specific compression standard used by this file is not recognized by native Windows software. Windows lacks complete archive parsing, so specialized programs must handle extraction. The solution is often a compatibility match. Right-click the DXZ file and select Open With. If Dexpot is installed, test it now. If not, choose another application. Every app handles errors differently. If your DXZ file will not open yet, do not panic. If your DXZ file is still uncooperative, the time for guessing is over. Let's test these primary failure points immediately to confirm the source. First, importing in Dexpot. Launch Dexpot and access the import function through Settings, then Backup, or via right-click on the system tray icon. Select Import and browse to the DXZ file. Dexpot extracts the configuration, applying desktop settings and resources to the current installation. Restart Dexpot if prompted to fully activate imported settings and configurations. Next, extracting as zip. Rename the DXZ file extension to .zip and open with 7-zip WinRAR or built-in Windows extraction. The contents reveal individual configuration files and resources. Extract specific files for examination, modification, or selective restoration without full Dexpot import. This approach enables granular configuration management and troubleshooting. Finally, configuring Dexpot settings. For manual configuration, import extract DXZ contents and place files in the Dexpot configuration directory, typically %appdata%/Dexpot. Restart Dexpot to load the configuration. Verify desktop layouts, wallpapers, and rules apply correctly. Maintain backups of original configuration before manual replacement to enable rollback if issues occur. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.